Hi everyone, my name is Steph, and today we're going to talk about a small gadget, really small gadget. This is good for somebody or someone, it's no good on technology. So if you don't want to use your cell phone, Alexa, and the rest, that's going to be the gadget you need. This small gadget, it's easy to use and easy to bring with you. The company of this item, the name is TickTime. This company was created in 2020. Okay, so let's look at the box. It's a regular box with number. This is show you all the number in the back. Voila. So let's open it. Okay, it's not easy. And voila. Okay, let's look inside. Oh. User manual and the item. Oh wait, plus a cable that's going to be for charging. Let's open it. Just look. Oh wow. Hey, this is nice. The material of this guy, it's aluminum. So voila. And here is going to be plastic. Okay, let me show you something. Here you have your two button. On the top you're going to have the minute and the second, and on the bottom you're going to have the volume, plus and minus if you want. And when it's time to shut it up, just press here in the middle and that's going to shut up. Shut off. And let me show you something really nice if you needed to put it on your fridge, or I don't know, if you're going to the gym and you need to put it on somewhere with it is metal. This is magnet, so you don't, that's going to be easy. And look at that, it's still going countdown. Oh, let's put it at 0, and now it's at 0 now, but now it just come back to 3 minutes. So it's nice, it's a nice gadget. You can put it any way you can put it inside your pocket, inside your coat. It's easy to bring with you. It's not big, and what is nice, you don't need to use your cell phone or Alexa or all the rest of those kind of machine. The alarm is going to ring 8 times after the countdown. The weight of this item, it's not really heavy, it's 52 grams. Don't forget guys, Christmas is coming, so for your family and friend that who goes to the gym, this is perfect gift to give. I hope you like this video about this small item here, that small timer. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you really want, just leave a comment and I'm going to respond really fast. And see you in another one.